Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making one of my favorites, smoky roasted Brussels sprouts. So easy to make, and when you have just the right spices, unbelievable. Check it out. All right, you should know, I love Brussels sprouts. These guys were first grown in 1200s, and until recently, they've been boiled and just been so bitter. But in the 1990s, scientists actually started to breed out that bitterness, and now the whole world has fallen in love with roasted Brussels sprouts. They are delicious, they are complex in flavor, so much better than what your grandmother used to make you. So I'm going to toss these with some olive oil, cut them in half, cut the stems off and cut them in half. And then I'm going to add my spice mix. You can check that out on my website and see what I did. It came out a little smoky and it's really, really tasty. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Not too much. It's about a teaspoon of salt. I have about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds of Brussels here. The more the merrier. You're going to eat all of them, so make more than what you think you're going to need. I've got my roasting pan. I'm going to turn out my Brussels onto the roasting pan. I'm not really concerned about what side they are. I'm going to mix them during the roast. I'm going to put them in a 375 degree oven for about 35 minutes, and I'll snoggle them occasionally. And there you can see, look at that. Look at that crispiness. So good. I'm going to take these, and then I'm just going to finish these with a little bit of maple syrup, just to add a little bit of sweetness. You don't have to do that. I'm going to toss those up. And then my Brussels sprouts are done. These are great hot and warm, or great as a salad for the next day. All right, Brussels sprouts are done. Let's give this a try. The crispiness on the outside of the Brussels, the spice, a little sweetness from the maple syrup. That is really super tasty. Try this one out. I think you're really going to like it. And also, consider ordering a veggie box, subscribing to my YouTube channel, follow me on the social media, or best yet, subscribe to my weekly newsletter. Each week I send a recipe from the farm, what I'm harvesting, what's going to be coming in this week, and a few reflections on what I'm doing on the farm. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. It's so good.